I dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hi viewers, today our topic is top accident attorneys. There is different questions we will discuss one by one. The first thing is that what is the country largest injury law firm? Becker, McKinsey, LLP, Americans 350 largest law firms. And the thing is that another important question is, how do I find the right car accident lawyers? There are 5 things we have to be keep in our mind. 5 things to look for when choosing a car accident. Number 1, clear communication. A good lawyer will make it easy for you to understand what they will do to help with you or your cases. Number 2, an engaged conversation. A good lawyer should be interested in your case, willingness to provide references, an organized office space, and the experience. Another thing is that what percentage do the lawyers take personal injury in the Canada? 35% negligence by personal injury and the disability lawyers can occur when their handling of the cases is not up to the standards of the skill and care expected of the competent lawyer. For solicited negligence and the legal malpractice claims, we charge 35% of the settlement value less disbursement. Another important thing is that how is the highest paying law firm in the world? Basically, there are the 8, more than 8, but the thing is that I will give you the 2 to 3 names. McDermott, Will and Emery. This is the highest paying law firm. Second is Washtell, Lipton, Morgan, Clifford, Akin, and Freshfields, like that. Next one is that what's the best law firm in the world? I already explained to you. This one another, Kirkland and Illis LLP. Kirkland Illis LLP serves as a niche set of corporate clients across corporate taxation, litigation, intellectual property, and the restructuring fields, etc. What you should look for the personal injury lawyers? This one I already explained to you. Next thing is that how much do lawyers take from the settlement? Basically, dear viewers, the victim's lawyer is entitled to a percentage of the damages agreed upon their contingency fee retainer with their client, usually between 15 to 35%, but not more than 50%. Are contingency fees legal in Canada? Lawyers can charge a contingency fee in any matter except for family law, criminal code, Canada, or any other criminal things like that. Another important thing is that what law firms does work in the America and other countries. Before going to the depth of this topic, we will discuss like US states with the most car accidents. You can see the 5th name is here, which are the most car accident in the US. Not 10, it's total 10 in front of you. You can see last point, origin percentage of the drivers with the prior at fault accident 13.93%. So different types of the accidents are there. Who is the largest injury firm? These are the name of the largest injury firms. You can see on the screen how much do top personal injury lawyers make. commonly known is that the personal injury lawyers can easily make above 70,000 every year because PI lawyers work on the contingency. They get paid a percentage of what they collect. What a car accident lawyer can do for you. Basically, the main goal of the car accident lawyer is getting you financial compensation to cover your expenses like medical bills, vehicle repair or the replacement, lost wages, pain and the suffering. Car accident lawyers are the personal injury lawyers who specialize in total law surrounding car accident. There are the number of the ways that they can. Dear viewers, I will let you know that about the famous uh, top accident attorneys. We already discussed that what are the name of the top. If we will talk about the Americans, basically there are hundreds of the famous attorneys are there, but the thing is that we have to be discussed in depth. Like one question is that who is the largest injury attorney in US? I already explained about this one, that who is the largest injury top accident lawyers. But the dear viewers, you see US states with most car accident, you see the percentage very dangerous, 17.14, 16.86. So this is very high rate of the most car accident in the USA. Best corporate Best corporate, what percentage do most personal injury lawyer take? I already explained about this one. Who is the largest injury attorney in the US? I already gave the name of the company and how many personal injury law firms are in the US. Basically, basically viewers, in the US state, if we will talk about the US, basically in the US there are approximately 800,000 to 1.2 million lawyers depending upon which source you refer to. Of these, there are about 93,000 to 135,000 personal injury lawyers. There are nearly 60,000 businesses in the US. Of these lawyers, any one of them may have a couple of hundred cases at any one time. So this is all about the US situation. But if we will talk about the highest paid, how much do top personal injury lawyers make? Basically, dear viewers, commonly known is that personal injury lawyers can easily make above $70,000 every year. $70,000, it's very huge amount, because PI lawyers work on the contingency. They get paid a percentage of what they collect. What type the lawyer gets paid the most? Basically, medical lawyers, they are the top lawyers, gets paid the most. After that, intellectual property attorneys, then trial attorneys, then tax attorneys, and the corporate attorneys. They have the different percentage. Like corporate lawyers, they have own percentage. And other thing is that how much do lawyers make per cases? Actually, this is depend upon the case. Their clients do not pay them anything until the lawyer wins the case or it settles. This means that the lawyers earn a percentage of the settlement or the judgment awarded by court. This fee ranges from 33% to 50% of the proceed from the case, plus any legal expenses occurred. Dear viewers, another thing is that what field of law is the most in demanded? There is also what field of laws is most in demanded: commercial law, litigation, and real estate and intellectual property and the family law. These are the highly paid and highly demand lawyers in the world. And one thing more, I will let you know. Dear viewers, you see, I give you the name top accident lawyers in the world. I give you the firms like Becker, McKenzie, DLA, Piper, Norton Rose, and Hogan and Jones Day, White and Case LLP, Morgan. There are different big law firms, top accident attorneys who are working in the world like Mayer Brown, Red Smith, Square Pathon, and Ropes and Gray, and King and Spalding, and the little the name like of the big firm is that, and the Kule LLP and the Becker, and there is many things like Akin, Akin Gum Stress Company is there, and the Jackson Levis PC. So these are the top accident lawyers, attorneys, firms in the world, and they have the different shares in the world. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be very fruitful for your knowledge. Thank you so much.